Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Xdev outfit editor. First, ensure your Grand Theft Auto 5 game is ready for external tools. This editor allows you to create unique, custom outfits in the online mode, offering extensive personalization options. We will cover everything from finding the software to applying your first custom look, making sure you are well-equipped to start your modding journey with confidence and ease. To begin, you will need to download the Xdev outfit editor. Reliable sources are typically found within dedicated community Discord servers or specific YouTube tutorial descriptions. After downloading, you might need to temporarily disable your antivirus program, as these types of tools are often flagged. Extract the files from the compressed folder, then right-click the executable and select Run as administrator to ensure proper installation and functionality. Once installed, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 online and enter any session, such as an invite-only or public one. With the game running, open the Xdev outfit editor. You should see your currently saved outfits listed. To customize, you will use specific component codes, often shared within the same community channels where you found the download. Input these codes into the editor to change various parts of your character's attire, creating truly unique combinations. Before making significant changes, it is always wise to back up your game files. This precaution can save you from potential issues. Keep an eye on community Discord servers and YouTube channels for the latest component codes and any updated versions of the Xdev outfit editor. Remember, using external tools carries inherent risks, so proceed with caution and always be aware of the game's terms of service. Enjoy creating your personalized outfits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.